Welcome to Interview Reality. Imagine you wake up feeling terrible. You have a fever, a bad headache, and there is no way you can go to work today. You need to call your manager and let her know. You want to sound professional, make sure your work is covered, and get the rest you need. That is exactly the situation David is in right now. Let's listen. Good morning. This is Emma speaking.
Hi, Emma. Good morning. This is David. I'm really sorry to call so early.
It's fine. Is everything okay? You sound a bit rough.
Not really, no. I woke up feeling quite bad this morning. I have a fever, a bad headache, and my throat is really sore. I don't think I'm going to be able to come in today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Did it come on suddenly, or have you been feeling off for a few days?
It came on quite suddenly, actually. I was fine yesterday morning. Maybe a little tired, but nothing unusual. By the evening, I started feeling warm and my throat was scratchy. I went to bed early hoping it would pass, but when I woke up this morning, it was clearly much worse.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling this way? That can happen. And the fever?
I started feeling a bit off yesterday afternoon, but I thought it might just pass on its own. But I woke up this morning and it's definitely much worse. I took my temperature and it's at 38.5.
That's a proper fever. You were absolutely right to call. Don't worry about coming in. Your health comes first, and frankly, I don't want you spreading anything to the rest of the team.
Thank you for understanding. I wanted to make sure things are covered before I switch off for the day. I don't want anything important to fall through the cracks.
I really appreciate that, David. It says a lot about you that you're thinking about the team even when you're sick. Let's go through what you have on today quickly. What's on your plate?
So the main thing is the follow-up email to the Brennan account. They're expecting a response about their contract renewal today. I actually drafted it last night, so it just needs a final check and sending.
Okay, can you send me the draft before you go back to bed? I can review it and send it on your behalf. I'll just sign it from me with a note that I'm covering for you today.
Yes, I can do that now. It'll take me about 5 minutes to open my laptop and forward it to you.
Perfect. Don't spend more than 5 minutes on it, please. What else do you have?
The 2 o'clock call with the marketing team, that's about the Henderson presentation we discussed last week. Claire is already across that project. She could cover the call if needed.
I'll check with Claire. I'm sure that's fine. She was in the meeting last week when we discussed it, so she should be fully up to speed.
Exactly. And if for some reason she can't, it wouldn't be the end of the world to reschedule it to Thursday. It's a recurring call, not a client-facing one.
Good to know. I'll make that decision after I check with her. Anything else that's time-sensitive today?
Not really. The rest of my tasks are midweek deadlines. Nothing that can't wait until tomorrow if I'm feeling better. There's the monthly report, but that's not due until Friday.
Good. Okay, so send me the Brennan draft now, and I'll handle Claire for the 2 o'clock call. You don't need to worry about anything else today. Just focus on getting better.
Thank you so much, Emma. I really appreciate it. You're making this so much easier than I expected.
Of course. Now, are you going to see a doctor today? With a temperature of 38.5, I'd recommend it.
I was thinking about it. I wasn't sure if it was necessary. I thought it might just be a bad cold or flu that I can sleep off.
With a temperature that high, I'd really encourage you to go. Even if it turns out to be nothing serious, it's better to have a professional opinion. And if you do get a medical certificate, it's always good practice to submit it through HR.
Okay, I'll try to book an appointment with my doctor this morning. Is there a specific form I need to fill in for HR, or do I just upload the certificate directly to the system?
Just upload it to the HR portal under the section called Sick Leave Documentation. There's a drop-down that lets you choose 1-day absence or multiple days. If you have any trouble finding it, just send the certificate to me directly and I can upload it for you. I've done it for other team members before.
Okay, I'll try to upload it myself first, and if I have trouble, I'll forward it to you. Is there a deadline for submitting the certificate?
Within 3 working days of your return, so you have time. Don't stress about it today. Focus on resting. I'll send a quick message on the team channel just saying you're out today. Nothing more than that. You don't owe anyone a detailed explanation, and I'll make sure nobody bothers you with non-urgent questions. If someone emails you directly, I'll intercept and handle it myself where I can.
Should I let anyone else on the team know I'm out today, or will you handle that? That's incredibly thoughtful. Thank you. I appreciate you protecting my time like that.
It's not thoughtfulness. It's how a functional team should work. When someone is sick, the rest of us cover. It's very simple.
And one question I wasn't sure about. Does this sick day count as a separate absence, or is it tied to my annual sick leave allowance? I just want to understand how it works.
Good question. We have a separate sick leave policy. It's not part of your annual leave. You get up to 10 days of paid sick leave per year, and this would count as one of those. If you end up needing more than 3 consecutive days, that's when the medical certificate becomes mandatory. For one day like this, technically you don't even need a certificate, but I still recommend getting one if you see a doctor, just for the record.
That's really helpful to know. I didn't realize the two were separate, so I don't need to use any of my vacation days for this?
Correct. Vacation days are completely separate. You don't touch those when you're sick.
That makes me feel better about taking the day. I was worried I was using up something important.
Not at all. Sick leave exists exactly for this reason. You should never feel guilty about using it when you genuinely need it. Being sick at work isn't helpful to anyone. You get worse and you make others sick.
I hear ya. I think I was worried about looking unreliable, to be honest. This is actually my first sick day since I joined.
David, let me tell you something. Taking one sick day in over 2 years of work is the opposite of unreliable. If anything, I sometimes worry that you push yourself too hard. Today is completely fine. Please don't overthink it.
Okay, thank you for saying that. It helps. And should I send you a message tomorrow morning to confirm whether I'm coming in or not?
Good. Okay. Yes, please. Even just a quick text or email by 7:30 tomorrow so I can plan accordingly. If you're still not well, that's completely okay. Just let me know so I can make arrangements.
Absolutely. I'll let you know first thing in the morning, one way or the other.
Good. And David, listen to me. Please actually rest today. I know you, and I know you'll try to check emails and answer messages. Don't. A proper recovery means you'll be back to full speed sooner. If I see you online, I'm going to be upset.
You're absolutely right. I do have that habit. I promise I'll actually switch off for the day. I'll turn on Do Not Disturb on my phone.
Good. And if anything comes up that genuinely needs your input, I'll send you a text message that says urgent only in the subject. Anything else can wait until you're back.
That works perfectly. Thank you for being so organized about it.
All right. Go send me that email, then go back to bed and sleep. Drink water. Take care of yourself. That's an order.
Understood. I'll send that email now and then rest. Goodbye, Emma. I won't. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, David. Feel better soon. And remember, don't check email today.
Thanks for watching Interview Reality. I hope this conversation helped you understand exactly what to say when you need to call in sick in English, how to explain your situation, make sure your work is covered, discuss a doctor's visit, and handle the whole conversation professionally. These are phrases you can use the next time you wake up feeling unwell and need to call your boss. If you found this useful, please subscribe to Interview Reality so you never miss a new conversation. See you in the next one.